Hey YouTube, what is up? This is your boy Ben from Benjamin Web back here with another video, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install CloudReady onto a USB flash drive. So this is not the one I'm going to be using, but it's a flash drive just because I said flash drive. Alright, anyway, so to give you a little bit of a background, if you don't know what CloudReady is, it's basically a Chrome OS clone, and it does that job almost perfectly. It's pretty cool. I don't understand why Chrome OS exists, because Chrome OS is dumb. But, hey, if you want to do it, it's a simple operating system. It's great for browsing the web, and it gets updates and stuff. So if you're just doing simple things and mostly on the web too, perfect for you. And simple too, so like an older person maybe, it could be used very well for them. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to do this. So you're going to need two things. I see them in OBS here. You're only going to need one thing, and that's an internet connection. Well, I guess you'd have one if you're watching this video. Your computer and a flash drive that's at least it's around 16 gigs. So what you're going to do now, you're going to go to you can just type in CloudReady. I'll put the link to CloudReady in the description. Made by Neverwhere. So, yeah. So you're going to want to go now once you're here. So, where do you go for the download? Oh yeah, that's right. So you're going to go CloudReady Edition to see Enterprise, Education, Home. See, Education and Enterprise are just, are, paid, but if you just click Home, it's free to download, and you just click Install the Home Edition. And now you see what you need, critical requirements, and 8 gig. Okay, so you only need 8 gigs. And you need about 20 minutes for the installation. Not a problem. So, you like these? Download the USB maker. I recommend you do that, obviously, if you have a Windows 7 computer. Or later. Now, I am actually going to be installing this on my laptop that I'm using to record this, and that's just for fun. I mean, because I can always redo this. Because if you see here, I'm already annoyed because this Lenovo recovery partition, courtesy, by the way, of this beautiful, brand new Lenovo recovery disk I bought off of, and I have to see if you guys can see that, I bought off of eBay. I was able to do that, but then again, that's kind of annoying, because I can use a Lenovo Rescue and Recovery, but I can't, it takes up like 25 gigs of my hard drive space, which is super annoying. Now I'm going to have even less room, because I'm going to install this and Linux onto it. Because, I mean, why not? So yeah, so what do you need? 8 or 16 gigabyte USB stick. 20 minutes for USB installer creation. Next. SanDisk devices are not recommended. That's fine, because I actually don't want to use a SanDisk device. So where's a flat? I should have got one on hand before this video. Here's a 16 gig flash drive. I hope it doesn't have anything important on it, because I'm going to have to format it. Let's plug it in. So you have your flash drive plugged in. You're going to plug it in. Oh yeah, here. Oh, so Windows 8 installation. Yeah, that's fine. We can wipe it. So, God. The flip. Alright, we are just going to eject this. I'm going to plug that back in. It's plugged in now. Now we click next. PMY, yep, that's the flash drive. Click next, and now it's currently downloading. So I will see you guys back here. We can close that when this is done. So as you can see, it is done. Wait, hold on. Yeah, so as you can see, it's done, and it says Cloud Ready USB created. You may now either exit or create another USB. So basically, I didn't mention this before, but Cloud Ready is like a Chromium OS. I mean, I said it was like Chrome OS, Chromium on it. Same thing, pretty much, whatever. So now you just put this in, and you can boot off of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click Finish, and then we'll go and eject. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been Ben from Benjamin's Tech Web signing off. Goodbye.